Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. Title: an informative guide to Python. Publish/subscribe/dispatch with the pubsub module. Introduction. Publish/subscribe/dispatch, pub/sub, is a messaging pattern widely used in software architecture to enable communication between different parts of an application. Python offers various libraries and modules to implement pub/sub patterns, and one of the popular choices is the pubsub module. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use the pubsub module for implementing pub/sub patterns in Python. Table of contents. What is the pubsub module? Installation. Basic concepts. Publish/subscribe example. Dispatch example. Conclusion. What is the pubsub module? The pubsub module is a Python library that provides a lightweight framework for implementing publish/subscribe patterns. It allows components of an application to communicate without having direct knowledge of each other, promoting loose coupling and modular design. Installation. You can install the pubsub module using pip. Basic concepts. Before diving into code examples, let's understand some fundamental concepts of the pubsub module. Topic. A topic is a string identifier that represents a channel of communication. Subscribers can listen to specific topics, and publishers can send messages to these topics. Publisher. A publisher is an entity that sends messages to a topic. Subscriber. A subscriber is an entity that listens for messages on one or more topics. Message. A message is a piece of data sent by a publisher to one or more subscribers. Publish/subscribe example. In this example, we'll create a simple pub/sub system using the pubsub module. We'll have one publisher and two subscribers. Output. In this example, we define two subscribers, subscribed them to the example.topic, and published a message to that topic. Both subscribers received the message. Output. In this example, we subscribed an event handler to example.event and dispatched the event without a message. The event handler received and processed the event. ChatGPT.